That is neat. Man, I'm telling y'all, these Bel Airs are crazy. Whew. First thing, what motor is in this car?
It's just a stock 350.
What? No way.
Yeah. Now in this one, we got into that deep yet, which is at the outside, the suspension and wheels.
Okay.
And we did the interior up in Tennessee.
It sounds so good though.
The mufflers.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. You gotta have some good exhaust then.
Yeah.
Cause man, them things and the wheels, Boston's.
It came in just like that.
Wow.
Like a 350.
Okay. Well, the exhaust is just upgraded, so I guess that's why it sounds so good.
Yeah. It has MagnaFlow exhaust. Yeah.
Nice. I do love the wheel choice. I cannot. Okay.
So the only thing we did, it has a custom 4-link suspension system that we actually built in-house.
Nice.
And then it has CPP front tubular arms.
Nice.
Fully tubular coilovers. It has a 4.9-inch rear end.
Oh, nice.
With a 370 gear.
Get the interior done.
We did the interior. This was done up in Tennessee.
Right.
And Pro Auto Custom Interiors in Tennessee.
Same people that did the Camaro, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So they did a fully custom interior, and then we did suspension and wheels.
Nice.
It's the only thing we did to this one.
So this came pretty damn nice then, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, cause this paint looks good, body looks good.
And it looks pretty damn original.
Got the new updated dash in there. Man, this joker is nice.
Yeah, we did the calipers, we did the bigger brakes, painted them in gold to match the trim, and of course match the color of the red, because it's the original color on the car. It's called Matador Red.
Matador Red. So that's what color this is?
Yeah.
That people get confused with an orange all the time,
Yeah,
or one color?
It's like guava to me, but it's called Matador Red.
A lot of Britsky around here. You can see my car clear as day. Man, them brakes is crazy. Bare brakes. I really like this joker here though too.
Yeah, I like it. At first I didn't like the color.
Right, me neither.
It grew on me when the interior kind of goes together, you know?
And the little added on the wheels.
Yeah.
But yeah, the interior does go really well with this color.
Before, no interior. The color was like,
Yeah, cause this the same color I was asking her. Is this the same color block car was? The one he has. That's nice.
bring it together.
And the little gold emblem.
Saw on one of these in SEMA. Parked outside.
Oh, okay. He was outside. So what's up with this one?
This one we first painted it black. So the customer drove her a few times, but then he wanted a color change on it. So we put that silverish platinum.
Outside now. And these 24s.
Yeah.